What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Glendale. Checking out the Glendale Galleria because I think it's been a while since I've been here, right? I don't know. They all kind of go together. So I think it's been a while. Let's go see what they got. All right, it is dark. Forgot how nice the lights look out here. Hopefully it shows up well on camera. Or at the Americana across the street. Some nice views. And then the water fountain's not on. Usually the water fountain's on at this time. Passing by a Cadillac showroom. That's not one of their cars. What the hell? Okay. Then we finally made it to Nike by Glendale. Man, I felt like it took a while to get here, man. All right, let's look around. And then this is what they got here. This is what they got. These are the return. I think we saw the. Did we see these here? I don't know. Jordan 1. I don't even know what the hell this is called, but I want to say we saw this. Isn't this one of the women's? I think we saw mid and the lows here a while back. This is size 12. Okay. Got the Panda Dunks. Been seeing these at a bunch of spots, size 8.5. Got a return. This is a grade school, 5.5. Alright, some canvas Jordan 1s, 5s. And then we've seen these a bunch as well, right? And then we do got some of these. The championship red, is that what they call this one? I believe that is what it's called. Okay. Also got these dunks. We've seen these quite a few times. Leather. Pretty nice, and then like an elastic material. Okay, I got some mids and lows. We've seen these quite a few times. The inside outs. They look freaking fire. Material, not the greatest, but they do look fire as hell. Then now in the women's section, I guess these are grade school. They got these in men's and women's sizes. Usually it's men's and grade school. They've been doing that here and there, but yeah, championship red. Got some Air Force Ones with some food on it. Was that like dragon fruit or something? What the hell? Regular Air Force Ones. 110 for those. 120 for the one with the fruit on it. Of course, we don't see anything on sale here. Do got some pre-days that I've never seen with some pretty cool camo on it. It is canvas right there. Okay. 145 for these. And plenty of Air Max. We've seen Air Max 97s everywhere. 90s and more 90s. Okay. 130 for these. Alright, that's definitely the dopest thing. Grade school, Panda Dunks. I guess these two. Okay, but that's the dopest thing here. Alright, let's go. Back to my big old walk back to Glendale Galleria. Oh snap, this mall closes in 24 minutes. I didn't even notice. All right, let's check out this lids. Haven't been here in a while. See what they got. Dude got buy one 50% off on a lot of their Mitchell & Ness jerseys. But we saw tons and tons of that over the summer. Did see a sales sign right here. Bunch of Lakers jerseys. It says 120 though. I don't really see. Oh, okay, there we go. 50% off. These are the Westbrook jerseys. I heard people were chanting to trade them. Come on now, man. Can't do them like that. I'm a fan of them. I don't know. I know not everybody is. We do got a Kings Lakers colored jersey. Kopitar. What's this going for though? Is it on sale? Is it on sale? 128. I don't know. That is usually a sales tag, so I don't know if it's 50% off. Got some of the movie jerseys, $50 for that one. I don't know which one that is though. Man, I'm gonna be honest, I don't even know any of these teams. Whatever. Dodgers jerseys, $65 for youth right here. Okay. What's up with these jerseys right here? These are youth jerseys though. They're regular price. Who wants this hat, really? $5, but still, who wants that hat? You guys, we've seen plenty of these hats. $10 for this hat right here. That's a hell of a deal. It does have the 60-year badge on it as well. Mitchell & Ness fitted hat for freaking $10. That's hella cheap. Got a trucker hat going for $15 right here. Super Niners. It's a Super Bowl hat? Yeah, Niners Super Bowl hat, $25. Okay. Niners hat right here going for $25. This is a snapback. Browns hat going for $20, like a flex fit. Pretty dope. Rockets youth hat going for $15. Got some deals. Who are the Red Devils? I don't know. Los Angeles Red Devils. I don't know who that is. Lakers hat. Snapback going for $15. Camo $15. 2009 finals going for $15. But we've seen a lot of this stuff. January, we'll see it back down to $10 and $5. I'm gonna wait till then. All right, do got my Piazza jerseys, Rose jerseys. Okay, those are buy one get one 50% off. Believe those are the Mitchell & Ness ones. Yep. All right, let's go check out some more shops. Foot Locker got 16 minutes. All right, let's go. Not on sale, man. Not on sale yet. Go back on sale, man. Come on, go on sale. T-Max going for what, $150. That one's on sale, but I don't want that one. This one's not on sale either. Oh, they got these as well. Okay. This is the St. Vincent St. Mary's colorway, right? I think so. Jordan section right here. Alright, nothing that really stands out. Alright, I gotta go check out 2 more shops. Alright, got a couple more shops. Got 11 minutes. Let's make it quick. I always tell you guys to check out front. Check the counter. Got grade school ones of these. These are the Chanels, right? I think I keep getting all the names messed up. Mid, some dunks. Grade school dunks right here. Oh, this is a women's size. Duh, I'm tripping. Women's. Team Bank colorways of the Kyries. Man, does that mean the next one's coming out real soon? Because usually the Team Banks don't come out till way later. Iverson's on sale, $60 off. The red ones right here, not too bad. The white and red. The latest one already down in price. We've seen the Griffies, $30 off. We've seen those for a while now. Are they calling these the taxi mids? Got some Jordans. I don't even know what the price is. No price on it. Some more mids. A couple of retros right here. 12, 13s. And then a few different dunks. 125 for the Lakers. I've never seen this one. Nubuck and leather. Buck leather material. 125 for that one. And we got the Mississippi State, right? Mississippi State. Colorway 125 for those. And that's pretty much about it. All right. Got 8 minutes left. One more shop. I don't know why. I swear I thought this mall closed at 9 o'clock. Man, sometimes it be like that, huh? Okay. What? That is the surprise of the day. What? Say what? That's a men's 8 too. Wow. I got Jordans right here. 6s, 7s. You know, I got these lows. Wow, I'm so surprised about that. Got 12s, 13s, 574s. I've never even seen this colorway and it's already on sale. Bunch of Nubuck on it. Got some mesh going for $60, normally 85. Then we also got this color. I feel like we've seen this one. I feel like we've seen it. Do got a bunch of different colorways and I think let's have seen some of these on sale. I'm just surprised to see these here. Is this a return? What is it, man? That's hella crazy. Size 8. All right, we got 3 minutes. We're literally just we're gonna run around here real quick. Buy one get one off, or buy one get one free. These are pretty dope. The All-Star Atlanta one from 2003. That's freaking fire, man. Mitchell & Ness right here. 95. Dang, that one's hella pricey for that one. But it is buy one get one free off of a bunch of the Mitchell & Ness, so definitely worth a look. Then we got the J's right here. And is this men's? There's no way this is men's. Oh, that's a 6, so that's a grade school. I'm looking for men's. Still got the Visionaires, that's surprising. 3s, core purple 3s, 12s. I've seen these a bunch of times, seen those a bunch of times. Seen all 3 of those. And then mids and lows. Oh, even the gingers right there, okay. All right, kind of a quicker vlog, but I'm gonna get out of here. Still got 2 minutes left, but I'm gonna get out of here, man. I'm gonna get out of here, let these people get home. Just wanted a quick sneak peek or little peek real quick. All right, let's go. Let's go. Sorry about coming to the mall late. My bad, you guys. Man, that was definitely a surprise, you guys. Man, I saw the fire red 3s. They had men's sizes. They had at least a size 8. Like, I didn't really ask about sizes. They were about to close. You know, on a tangent, like, who the freaking knew that, like, the Glendale Galleria closed at 8 p.m. Like, what the F? I thought all the major malls closed at 9. So yeah, obviously I kind of made that video a little shorter than it could have been. You know, I'll definitely make sure I get there earlier. But yeah, that was a trip. But yeah, man, to see those fire red 3s, that was dope. I hope you guys are following me on Instagram, because I did share that on Instagram right after I had left. I did wait till like I actually left the mall, because man, those bad boys were closing. Like, everybody's closing. I need to hurry up and get as much video as I could. And then I even put the date on there. I rarely ever put dates on any of my stuff, but yes, I put it on there because I wanted you guys to know that, hey, that was right then and there. So hopefully some of you guys are able to take advantage. It would have to have been the next morning, but hopefully you guys, someone was able to take advantage. You know, maybe go at lunchtime or something. But yeah, that's pretty dope. Pretty dope. Even that Nike retail shop, they had all kinds of returns there. I ain't seen some of that stuff at too many spots, so that's pretty freaking dope to be able to get some heat. That is pretty fire. Lids, didn't really see too many deals. I don't think that's technically a locker room by Lids, but I see that one as locker room by Lids because they have a lot more jerseys than hats. So but yeah, not really the right time. You know, definitely gonna have to go back there maybe next month, maybe late next month. No, actually I think it's December, late December. So definitely I'll have to go there, see if I can find steals later, but still got plenty of time. I'm curious to see if I should hit up a bunch of malls this weekend, or if I should hit up Nike outlets. Let me know what you guys think. Nike outlets, they cooled off a little bit, but yeah, I think I might have to hit up more Nike outlets. I did hit up a couple malls finally, but yeah, let me know what you guys think. Niners killing it. Niners have been playing well as hell. So yeah, that last what was it, Monday night game, that was just nuts. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Appreciate each and every one of y'all. I really can't thank you guys enough. Make sure you help away. Press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty videos coming. I need to get you some of these secondary videos. I've got some interesting stuff. So yeah, but yeah, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.